Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Yo Antah Pravishya Mama Vacha Mimam Prasuptam सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कम् गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तम् वक्त्राणाम् अनेकदन्तम् भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजम् वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं वश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगत वनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्त जनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गंगा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवन स्मरण गोविंद गोविंद। श्री पोन्नु गुरुवायूरप्पने शरणं, आनंद चिन्मयने शरणं, चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं, नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayanian session. We have completed 32 dashakams. We'll start straight away with 33rd. Greetings on Raksha Bandhan Day. So on this Purnima, if we can complete this dashakam and touch at least 1 or 2 verses of the next dashakam, which is Ramji's avatar, it will be a nice auspicious beginning and on the auspicious day to just revel. So Ambarish Charitra we are going to do now. That itself is a very beautiful charitra, and there is a practice on Dvadashi day. Please stay muted, Sumanaji. On Dvadashi day, Ambarish Charitra is chanted. So whatever we learn today, so 12 days from today onwards, that's the day generally we used to chant Ambarish Charitra. So without any further time lapse, let's get into it with the intention that well before time we can complete and get into the 34th dashakam to use this special book. Okay, sweet too. Today you are alone. Where are your brothers? They're going to join you later?
They are coming.
Oh, let us start first with you for the first mantra. Okay. So, Ambarish Upakhana. It's a Vasanta Tilaka. Somebody quickly say all the points of Vasanta Tilaka.
14 syllables. And ta, bha, ja, ja, ga, ga, gana. So, yeah.
Anything else? Any point missed? Okay, let us start. See, Nabhaga, Jata, Nabhaga, that like that, the starting is there, but there is no pause. But we will pause over there and then second time we'll get, okay. Vaivasvatakhya Manuputtra Nabhaga Jata.
वैवस्वताख्य मनुपुत्र नभाग जातः.
Not to do Jataha. We should leave it at Jata. Okay. Because that is going to join to Nabhag. Vaivasvatakhya Manuputra Nabhaga Jata.
वैवस्वताख्य मनुपुत्र नभाग जातः.
नाभागनामक नरेन्द्र सुतोऽम्बरीषः.
नाभागनामकनरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीषः.
नाभाग नामक नरेन्द्र सुतः अम्बरीष. नाभाग नामक नरेन्द्र सुतोऽम्बरीषः.
नाभागनामकनरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीषः.
सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे.
सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे.
त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव. सङ्गिषु त्वयि, over there is a द्वित्वा. त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव.
त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव.
वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र नभाग जात नाभाग नामक नरेन्द्र सुतोऽम्बरीषः.
वैवस्वताख्य मनुपुत्रत नभाग जात नाभाग नामक प्रसुतोऽम्बरीषः
सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव. What happened? He's bullying you.
सप्तार्णवावृतमहि दयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र तव न भागजात नामकनरेन्द्रसुतोपरीशः सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव.
Okay. So now what happened? Vaivasvatakya. So Vaivasvata Manu's his son named Nabhaga. Vaivasvata Manu's son named Nabhaga. From his jata Nabhaga, his son. And from Nabhaga Namaka, there is a Narendra, the king. His sutta is Ambarisha. So this is Ambarisha's lineage. Okay. So what the starting line is describing for Ambarish ji is Saptarnavavrita. So Arnava is sea, Sapta. So surrounded by 7 seas also, even in spite of all this, Tvat Sangishu. And in Twai, Magna Manasadaiva. He was always immersed in your thought. Bhattatiri ji is saying to Guruvayurappa, Tvat Sangishu, Twai, in you he was immersed, and he was always in your thoughts. Ambarish Maharaj ji is in Guruvayurappa's thought always. Though his lineage of king is so strong, and though he is surrounded by so much, he is surrounded or he is immersed in Lord's name only. वैवस्वताख्यमनुपुत्र न भागजात नाभागनामक नरेन्द्रसुतोऽम्बरीषः सप्तार्णवावृतमहीदयितोऽपि रेमे त्वत्सङ्गिषु त्वयि च मग्नमनाः सदैव. Yes. Looking fresh and nice with that hairband. Yes. त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य.
त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य.
Oh, what happened to your voice? You okay?
I don't know. Yeah.
The soreness. Okay. Bhaktaiv deva na chiradabhritah prasadam.
Bhaktaiva devan. Can you say it a bit higher?
Okay. Am I not audible? Okay. I thought I was.
No,
okay.
I mean the pitch.
Okay. The pitch. Bhaktaiva deva na chiradabhritah prasadam.
Bhaktaiva devan chiradabhritah prasadam.
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम्.
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम्.
चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृताः प्रसादम्.
त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृताः प्रसादम्.
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम् चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम् चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्. त्वत्प्रीतये सकलमेव वितन्वतोऽस्य भक्त्यैव देव न चिरादभृथाः प्रसादम् येनास्य याचनमृतेऽप्यभिरक्षणार्थम् चक्रं भवान् प्रविततार सहस्रधारम्.
Good. And is Anish going to join?
Yeah, he's here.
Okay, okay. Now to keep the progress. Okay. Tvatpritaye. Bhattatiri is saying for Gubarappa that out of love for you, Sakkalameva Vitanvataha Asya. He was doing all his actions only for Guruvarappa. Ambarish Maharaj's way. And because of Bhaktiyaiva, because of that Bhakti, Ananya Bhakti, one-pointed devotion to the Lord, Nachirat means not because, not with a long time, immediately, Abhritaha Prasadam, he got prasad from the Lord. And that prasad, how? With that, Yenasya, with that prasada, Yachanama Rite, Abhirakshanartham. He didn't ask for that. He didn't ask. But Lord himself came to protect him, Abhirakshanartham, to protect him. With how? Chakram Bhavan Pravitatara Sahasradharam. His 1,000-fold chakra, Sudarshan chakra, Lord had employed on something. So that story is going to come forward. So the opening line, because of his bhakti, Lord only came rushing to protect the bhakta, though the bhakta never asked, oh Lord, help me. So if our bhakti is so strong, you don't have to ask God, you give me this, you give me that, you do this, you do that. Don't have to. Lord only would come, and Lord knows what his bhakta wants. We don't have to do anything. We just have to think of the Lord without expecting anything, just for the sake of bhakti. Means that's the point of this Ambarish Upakhyana. He just didn't ask for anything. But Lord sent. How and all, this is the whole Dashakam that we are going to see on that story. Tvatpritaye sakalameva vitanvatosya bhaktyav deva nachiradabhritah prasadam yenasya yachanamritepyabhirakshanartham chakram bhavan pravitatara sahasradharam. Yes, Anishtam. Satvadashi vratamatho bhavadarchanartham.
सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थम्
वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे.
वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे
पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन्.
पत्न्या समौ सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन्
पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्.
पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्
सत्त्वादशी द्वित्वा सत्त्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे.
सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे
पत्न्या समं सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्.
पत्न्या समौ सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम् सद्वादशी व्रतमथो भवदर्चनार्थम् वर्षं दधौ मधुवने यमुनोपकण्ठे पत्न्या समौ सुमनसा महतीं वितन्वन् पूजां द्विजेषु विसृजन् पशुषष्टिकोटिम्.
All three of you, well done. Okay, so now what happens? Saha, Visarga is there. So Saha, he, Dvadashi Vratamataha Bhavadarchanartham. For your Archana, for your Puja, he was doing this Dvadashi Vrata. So what is happening that with who and for how long? Varsham, for 1 year long. Where? Saptami Vibhakti Madhuvane, locative case in Madhuvana. And also where? Yamunopakanthe, on the banks of river Yamuna. He was doing this 1 year long vrata with his wife. Patnya Samam. Sumanasa Mahatim Vitanvan. With great, he's put all his mind into it, and with great devotion, he's doing this vrata. And Pujan Dvijeshu, he was doing puja of the Dvijas also. Okay. And he Visrujan, how he did? He distributed Pashu Shashti Koti. 60 crore of cows he had donated. Such big Anushtan for a year he was doing. Who? Ambarish Maharaj. Sadvadashi Vratamatho Bhavadarchanartham Varshan Dadhau Madhuvane Yamunopakanthe Patnya Samam Sumanasa Mahatim Vitanvan Pujan Vijeshu Visrujan Pashushashti Kotim. Who's white volunteer? Please raise hands. Lataji. Number 4. Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante.
Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante.
Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede.
Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede.
Bhoktum Vritascha Sandrupena Pararti Shilaha.
Bhoktum Vritascha Sandrupena Pararti Shilaha.
Mandan Jagama Yamuna Niyaman Vidhasyan.
Mandan Jagama Yamuna Niyaman Vidhasyan.
Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede.
Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede.
Bhoktum Vritascha Sandrupena Pararti Shilaha Mandan Jagama Yamuna Niyaman Vidhasyan.
Bhoktum Vritascha Sandrupena Pararti Shilaha Mandan Jagama Yamunan Niyaman Vidhasyan. Tatrath Paranadine Bhavadarchanante Durvasa Sasya Munina Bhavanam Prapede. Bhoktum Vritascha Sandrupena Pararti Shilaha Mandan Jagama Yamuna Niyaman Vidhasyan.
So now what happens? When we hear the Durvasa sage means there is some problem going to come, we can say. But Tatiri is also using one adjective over there, which we will see now. So Tatratha over there, Paranadine. Paranadina is when you are completing all your puja and vrata, and so like if you are fasting, then you have to consume the food. So that is, when Utthapana is happening. When you are finishing that, a ceremony or a vrata or an anushtan, you are complete. So Bhavadarchanante, after finishing all your archanas, so now means he has to consume his food. Who? The king, Ambarisha, has to consume the food. Now it is on that day. But that time what happened? Durvasa Munina Bhavanam Prapede. So in his palace, this Durvasa Muni arrived. So when a Muni arrives, naturally, the king invites for the food. Bhoktum Vritaha. Nrupena. Called by Nrupa, called by the king to eat. Then this word, see this adjective Bhattatiriji uses, Pararthi Shilaha. Pararthi Shila, habit of troubling others. Pararthi Shila. So we know Durvasi in a habit of giving trouble to others. Mandam, slowly, Jagama went. Where? To Yamuna. And Niyaman Vidhasyan. To follow his whatever obligatory rites are, whatever to tarpan to give, to get fresh or whatever. So this Durvasji, he goes to the river very slowly. Tatra, somebody invites for food and shows us, okay, this is we quickly wash, we quickly come, we sit quickly, in order, we are not delaying somebody. But this is Pararthi Shila. So he went mandam, so that he went very slowly only. Tatrath parana dine bhavadarchanante durvasasasya munina bhavanam prapede भोक्तुं वृतश्च सनृपेण परार्तिशीलः बन्धं जगाम यमुनान् नियमान् विधास्यन् वर्ते नंबर 5 राज्ञाथ पारण मुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदाद्वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण
राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदाद्वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण
So samapti khedat, the ending it will be there, and then varaiva will be the starting. Okay, it is not dwara, it's not the door. We will see. Vari means water. Okay, but so there is no pause out over there. Khedat, you should know what is it. Then varaiva, quickly, which sandhi? A plus A is I. So vara eva. Okay. Probably Gita class students are not here. Okay. Prapto munistadata devya drisha vijanan.
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन्
क्षिप्यन् कृधोद्धृतजटो विततान कृत्या
क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततान कृत्याम्
राज्ञाथ पारण मुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदाद्वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण
राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदाद्वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदत दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततान कृत्या
प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततान कृत्याम् राज्ञाथ पारणमुहूर्त समाप्ति खेदाद्वारैव पारणमकारि भवत्परेण प्राप्तो मुनिस्तदथ दिव्यदृशा विजानन् क्षिप्यन् क्रुधोद्धृतजटो विततान कृत्याम्
See now what happens. Rajna, so by the king, what has happened? Third case, Aparajan Shabda, Parana Muhurta. So Parana Vidhi, when you are doing such big anushtans, there is a Vidhi. When you have to open the pass, how you have to do and all. So that Muhurta, Samapti Khedat, he was little worried that Muhurta will go now. Because 1 year long he is doing, right, all his parana, all his sadhana is going to now get dissolved. So what he does, Vara eva. Only little water he just sips. Paranama kari bhavat parena. So that his puja, his anushtan, he can save. So before, unless that muhurta would go, then later on if he does, so he just sips little water. Now what happened? Praptaha Muni. So this Durvas Muniji who is gone to Yamuna is now come back. When he comes back, Divya Drusha Vijanan. By his Divya Drishti, he understands that he is the guest over there. And before the guest could eat, this man is eating. So he had just sipped water to open his fast for that muhurta, and he felt very offended why I am not regarded as what his healing is. So, Kshipyan, Kshipyan means not abuse, but use bad words. Using and Krudha, he got angry, and with that, Udhruta Jata, he took out his one, he plucked off his Jata one, and he cursed Vitatan, and with that, he created Krutyam, one Asura he created by the name Krutya. Okay, now see what will happen in the next verses. Radnyatha parana muhurta samapti kheda dwaraiva paranamakari bhavat parena prapto munistadhata divya drisha vijanan kshipyan krudhodhrita jato vitatana kritya. Sorry. Sri Vidya Lakshmi ji. Number 6. Krityam cha tamasi dhara bhuvanam dahanti.
कृत्याञ्च ताम् असिधरां भुवनं दहन्तीम्
Agre viviksha nrupatirna padacha kampe.
अग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्च कम्पे
Vadbhakta badham abhiviksha sudarshanante.
त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते
Krityanalam shalabhayan munimanvadhavi.
कृत्यानलोशलभयन्मुनिमन्वभावेत्
कृत्यां च तामसि धरां भुवनं दहन्तीमग्रे विवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्च कम्पे.
कृत्याञ्च ताम् असिधरां भुवनं दहन्तीमग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्च कम्पे
मद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन् मुनिमन्वधावी.
त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन्मुनिमन्वधावीत् कृत्याञ्च ताम् असिधरां भुवनं दहन्तीमग्रेभिवीक्ष्य नृपतिर्न पदाच्च कम्पे त्वद्भक्तबाधमभिवीक्ष्य सुदर्शनन्ते कृत्यानलं शलभयन्मुनिमन्वधावीत्.
See now what has happened. It is happening in that. So imagine this very angry Durvasa Rishi plucking the jata and creating this krutya. And how is this krutya? This krutyam tam asi. Asi is a sword. Asi dharam bhuvanam dadhanti. So this one is taking one sharp sword, standing in front of Ambarish Ji Maharaj, ready to kill him, and the heat of that sword and heat of that krutya is burning the whole world. So he is like one fireball was created. And with this sharp sword, now he is going to strike Ambarish. Then such a scene is there. Agre Abhiviksha, having seen this in front of him, Nrupati means the king. King means Ambarish. Na padat chakampe. He didn't tremor a bit, nor he got a foot behind, nothing. He just stood there, facing that heat and the wrath and that sword, scorching sword. He just stood there. He's seeing that in front, neither shocked, neither going aback, neither trembling in fear, nothing. Ambarish was unmoved. But then what has happened? Tvad bhakta badham abhiviksha. But Tvad bhakta, Bhattatarishi is saying to the Lord, seeing your bhakta, badha means is in difficulty, abhiviksha, having seen that your bhakta is in a great difficulty, Sudarshanam te, with your Sudarshana, Krutyanalam, Shalabhayan. Shalabha is the moth. How the moth goes near the fire and the fire just burns it up, like that, this fire of Krutya, Sudarshan is still stronger than that, and like a moth, this fire, it got burnt into that Sudarshan chakra. And then, not only that, Munimanvadhavi, then this Sudarshan chakra went behind Durvasji Maharaj. Krutyancha tamasi dhara bhuvanam dahantim agre diviksha nrupatirna padachakam te tvadbhakta padham abhiviksha sudarshanam te Krutyanalam shalabhayan munimanvadhavi. Sumaraji. Number 7. Bhavanna shesha bhuvaneshu bhiyas apashyan.
धावन्न शेष भुवनेषु भियास पश्यन्
Vishwatra chakramapi te gatavan virinchim. Aha, virincham.
विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम्
Kala chakramati langhayatityapastah.
कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः
Hayatiti iti past. Sharvai yayau sacha bhavantamavandatayiva.
शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव
Avanna shesha bhuvaneshu bhiyas apashyan Vishwatra chakramapi te gatavan virincham.
धावन्न शेषभुवनेषु भियास पश्यन् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम्
Kala chakramati langhayatityapastah Sharvai yayau sacha bhavantamavandatayiva.
कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव धावन्न शेषभुवनेषु भियास पश्यन् विश्वत्र चक्रमपि ते गतवान् विरिञ्चम् कः कालचक्रमतिलङ्घयतीत्यपास्तः शर्वं ययौ स च भवन्तमवन्दतैव
So now what happens? Dhavan, he is running Ashesha Bhuvaneshu to all the quarters of the Bhuvana in the universe. Everywhere he went, yeah, with fear. But Pashyan what? The chakram only he is seeing everywhere. The chakra is following wherever he went. Then Vishwatra chakram api, everywhere the chakram only he is seeing. Then he Gatavan, Virincham, Virinchi is Brahmaji. Then he goes to Brahmaji. Brahmaji says, Kaha kala chakram atilanghayati? Who atilanghayati? Who can overcome the kala chakra? Brahmaji says to him. And apastaha. So then apasta means he abandons that Durvaji. Brahmaji cannot do anything to save Durvaji. Then the Durvaji runs to Sharva. Sharva is Shivji Maharaj. So Shivji, he goes to Sharvanyayau. Such. So Shivji also Bhavantam Avandata Eva. So Shivji also said he cannot do anything to you, only he has to bow down. Dhavanna shesha bhuvaneshu bhiyasa pashyan Bhavanna shesha bhuvaneshu bhiyasa pashyan Vishwatra chakramapi te gatavan virincham Kah kala chakramati langhayatityapastah Sharvai yayau sacha bhavantamavandatayiva. Saha. Number 8. Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya muninnamantam.
Bhuyo bhavan nilayametyam namantam.
Proche bhavanah mrishenanu bhaktadasaha.
प्रोचे भवानः मृषे प्रोचे भवानः मृषे ननु भक्तदासः
भवान अहम ऋषे तो भवान हम ऋषे प्रोचे भवान हम ऋषे ननु
प्रोचे भवानः मृषे ननु भक्तदासः
ज्ञानन्तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम्
ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम्
याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन्
याह्यम्बरीश पदमेव भजेति भूमन्
भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिं नमन्तम् प्रोचे भवानहमृषे ननु भक्तदासः
भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिन्नमन्तम् प्रोचे भवानः मृषे ननु भक्तदासः
ज्ञानन्तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम् व्याह्यम्बरीषपदमेव भजेति भूमन्
ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम् याह्यम्बरीश पदमेव भजेति भूमन् भूयो भवन्निलयमेत्य मुनिन्नमन्तम् प्रोचे भवानः मृषे ननु भक्तदासः ज्ञानं तपश्च विनयान्वितमेव मान्यम् याह्यम्बरीश पदमेव भजेति भूमन्
The audio wasn't clear, but I could make out maybe the fan or something in the background. But I couldn't. Doesn't matter. Bhuya. Then again, what happens? Now, so he's gone to Brahmaji, he's gone to Shivji. Nobody could do anything. So Bhuya again. Bhavan Nilayam Etya. Bhattatiri is saying to Lord, to your place, means to Vaikunta, he Etya having come. Then Munim Namantam, bowing down. The Muni who is bowing down to the Lord, Proche, Lord said, you said, Bhavan, Aham, Rishe, means O Rishe, Aham, Bhaktadasaha, O Rishi, I am the servant of my devotees. Who is saying this? Bhagwanji, Vishnuji is saying, Guru Vairappa is saying, I don't know anything, I am the servant of my devotee. Jnanam tapascha Vinayanvitameva Manyam. Jnana and tapa has to go with Vinaya. So when jnana and tapa is not making you humble, then you don't get manyata, recognition. If you need recognition, we know, so many times the knowledge is used for argument purpose. Tapas is used for my ahankar. Oh, you are not doing any japa. You have to do. See, I do so many malas. You have not done. You are looking down. So, the pride should not come up with the sadhana, but it should go down, and our sadhana should make us humble. Lord is saying this to Lord is saying this to Durvas Maharaji. And further he adds, Durvas Maharaji is with us, Jnana and Tapa, he is awesome. But Vinayata was not there. So Bhagwanji is teaching him that Manyata, he will get recognition, or your Jnana and Tapasa would get recognition if you supplement it with Vinayata, with humility. Therefore, Yahi, that's third line, last line, first word. Yahi, go, order. Ambarisha padam eva, to the feet of Ambarisha only, eva. Bhajeti bhuman. So, he asks him, go, and go to his feet and seek refuge at the feet of Ambarish only. Even Lord couldn't help Durvas Maharaji. Bhuyo bhavan nilayametya munim namantam Proche bhavanaham rishenanu bhaktadasaha Jnanantapascha vinayanvitameva manyam Vyahyambarishapadameva bhajeti bhuman. Sajivji. Tavat sametya munina sagriheeta padaha
तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः
राजापसृत्य what happened? राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
राजापसृत्य भवदस्रमसावनौषीत्
चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै
चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै
त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन्
त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन्
तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
अस्त्र, it is stra and not stra.
Okay. राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत्
चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन्
चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन् तावत् समेत्य मुनिना सगृहीतपादः राजापसृत्य भवदस्त्रमसावनौषीत् चक्रे गते मुनिरदादखिलाशिषोऽस्मै त्वद्भक्तिमागसि कृतेऽपि कृपाञ्च शंसन्.
So now what happened? Akhilashishah, all the blessings. But okay, Tavat. So then what happens? Sametya. He comes back. Munina, by Muni. Gruhita Padaha. This Muni, Durvasji Maharaji is holding the feet of Ambarish Maharaji. The king Ambarish is holding, Muni is holding, Durvasaji is holding the feet of Ambarish Maharaj. And then Raja, no, he's apasrutya. He felt something, oh, sage is holding my feet, apasrutya. He came back a little bit with great humility. He doesn't want. So he doesn't come back when he sees the krutya. It's not out of fear. It's out of that Muni should not catch his feet. And then Bhavat, Astram, Asau, Anaushid. So Anaushid is praising. Bhavad Astram, your Astram, that Sudarshana, he praised Sudarshana. He comes back a step because Durvaji is holding his feet and he praises Sudarshana. Then Chakre Gate. Moment he praised Sudarshana, the chakra goes away. And then Munihi Adad, Akhilashishaha Asme. The Muni, Durvasji Maharaj, gives Ambarish Maharaj lots of blessings. And he says, Tvad Bhaktim, your Bhaktim, Agasi Krute Api, Agasa, I did so much wrong to you, but your devotion to the Lord is so strong. And in spite of that, Krupancha and Shamsan, you forgive me. And you are so kind on me. You didn't take any offense. Like that, Durvaji Maharaj tells Ambarishji and gives lot of blessings. Tavat sametya munina sagrihita padaha raja pasritya bhavadastramasavanausheet chakre gate muniradadakhilashishosmai tvad magasi kritepi krupancha shamsan. Last one, Dadri Balaji. Raja Pratiksha Munimeka Samamanashwan.
Raja Pradikshya Munimeka Samamanakswan
Sambhojya Sadhutam Rishim Visrujan Prasannam.
Sambhojya Sadhu सम्भोज्य साधु तं ऋषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम्
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं व्रतोऽभूत्. That half is on the next line, first half.
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि तथोऽपि दृढं रथोऽभूत्
अल्पप्राण सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः.
सायुज्यमाप च समां भवनेशपायाः
राजा प्रतीक्ष मुनिरेक समामनाश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधु तं ऋषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम्.
राजा प्रतीक्ष्य मुनिमेक समामनाश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधु तं ऋषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम्
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि ततोऽपि दृढं व्रतोऽभूत्. सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः.
भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि तथोऽपि दृढं रथोऽभूत् सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः राजा प्रतीक्ष मुनिमेक समामनाश्वान् सम्भोज्य साधु तं ऋषिं विसृजन् प्रसन्नम् भुक्त्वा स्वयं त्वयि तथोऽपि दृढं तथोऽभूत् सायुज्यमाप च समां पवनेशपायाः
See what happens. Raja Pratiksha, this king was waiting. Ambarish Maharaj is waiting. For whom? For Munim. Eka Samam, for 1 year. Ashwan, without Anashwan. Anashwan, without taking food for 1 year. Ambarish Ji Maharaj is waiting for Durvas Ji to come. Then Sambhojya Sadhu. And Tamrishim, and having fed the sadhu well, Visrujan Prasannam, left him very happily. When Bhuktva Swayam, then only he ate. After 1 year, he was without a food for 1 year. Then Tvai, in you, Bhattatriji is saying to the Lord, Tvai Tatopi Drudham Vrato Bhut, and more Drudha, more firmer, he became again in your seva, Rataha, he was reveling in your seva, he was reveling in your thoughts, even more firmer than before. And then Sayujjamapa, he became one with the Lord in that bhakti. O Pavanaishaha, O Guruvairappa, Mam Payaha, protect me. Raja Pratiksha Munimeka Samamanashwan, Sambhojya Sadhutam Rishing, Visrujan Prasannam, Bhuktva Swayam Tvai Tatopi Dridham Vrato Bhut, Sayujjamapa cha Samam Pavaneshapayaha. Sada Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam, Govinda, Govinda, Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. On this auspicious full moon of Shravan, on Raksha Bandhan, we have completed the most beautiful charitra of Ambarish Maharaj Ji to instill more bhakti in us, to show what a bhakti can do, to see that without asking the Lord, how Lord runs to his devotees, and to hear Lord's words that I am the servant of my devotees. So this should be for this, whatever sadhana we take on a Purnima, it intensifies. So may our sadhana intensify, may we revel on Ambarish Charitra, may the bhakti increase in us manifold. Without doing the Parayan, we have 5 minutes. We'll just start the Rama's Charita because it's auspicious. Anything we do on a Purnima, it just multiplies manifold. And Purushottama, Dharma, he's that force, and we are seeing that in Valmiki Ramayana also. So we should have that much yearning for Dharma. Ram is only the outer thing, but inside us, we should, revel in that drama to get it. So we'll start this and keep. And maybe tomorrow we'll have to continue that also. And we will do the parent probably of the 33rd tomorrow, or we will see how the Lord wills. Okay. So let us start. I see 2 hands. I'll take Lakshmi ji first, Vani. She is not chanted. And then when the time permits, I'll take you, Vani. So this is Dashakam 34, Sri Ramacharita Varnanam, and Sraddhara meter. Quickly. Somebody, Sraddhara, Samari.
Dashakam 1 was like that, 21 syllables, 7 plus 7 plus 7.
Perfect. Yes, yes. Tandranandavabodhatmakam. So like that only. Girvanairarthamano. It's going to go like that. Okay. Big verses. It's not going to finish in one session. So probably Lord is making 1 or 2 verses today and then remaining tomorrow. Maybe that's how it is. Let this Purnima brim our inside with Ramji. Girvanairarthyama. Sorry, it is going to Vasant. Girvanairarthyamano.
गीर्वाणैरर्थ्यमानो
Dashamukhanidhanam.
दशमुखनिधनम्
Kosaleshvrishya shringe.
कोसलेष्वृष्य शृङ्गे
Putriyamishtimishva.
पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा
Dadushi dasharatha kshmabhrite payasagram.
Is that Mahaprana Griyam or Griyam?
Payasagram.
ददृशि दशरथ क्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यम्
Tadbhuktya tatpurandhrishvapiti srushu samam.
तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरङ्घ्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समम्
Jatagarbhasu jataha.
जातगर्भासु जातः
Ramastwallakshmanena.
रामस्त्वल्लक्ष्मणेन
स्वयमथ भरते नापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना.
स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना
गीर्वाणैरर्थ्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसलेष्वृष्य शृङ्गे.
गीर्वाणैरर्थ्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसलेष्वृष्य शृङ्गे
पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथ क्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यम्.
पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथक्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यम्
तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषु समञ्जातगर्भासु जातः.
तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिषु समम् तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्री तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि त्रिषु सुस्वमम्
Okay. Tadbhuktya tatpurandhishvapि tisrushu samanjatagarbhasu jataha.
तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि त्रिषु समञ्जातगर्भासु जातः
रामस्त्वल्लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना.
रामस्त्वल्लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना गीर्वाणैरर्थ्यमानो दशमुखनिधनं कोसलेष्वृष्य शृङ्गे पुत्रीयामिष्टिमिष्ट्वा ददुषि दशरथक्ष्माभृते पायसाग्र्यम् तद्भुक्त्या तत्पुरन्ध्रीष्वपि तिसृषुः समं जातगर्भासु जातः रामस्त्वल्लक्ष्मणेन स्वयमथ भरतेनापि शत्रुघ्ननाम्ना
So now what is happening? Girvanihi and third case plural. So by the words of the devas, Dashamukha Nidhana, Dashamukha, Ravana's death. Arthyamanaha is there. Ravana's death, Arthyamanaha. Gods had asked Ravana's death. So, Kosaleshu Rushya Shringe. Kosaleshu Saptami. In the Kosala kingdom, Rushya Shringai by Shringa Rishi. Putriyamishtwa. So Putrakamishti Yajna was there. Ishtva had performed. Okay. Dasharatha Kshma Bhrute. Kshma is Bhumi. King of. So king it denotes. So Dasharatha by King Dasharatha. Then what had happened during that time? Payasagryam. The Payasa Dadushi he gave to whom? All his 3 queens at the same time to take them. Tisrushu Tatpurandrishu. The 3. And they all 3 got pregnant at that same time. Samam Jata Garbhasu Jataha. All at the same time. Then Ramastvam, like you came in the form. Bhattatriji is saying to Guruvayurappa, you came in Rama's form. Then with Lakshmana, so whenever Saha is there or you want to say with, it will always be with the third case. You came with Bharatji and you came with Lakshmanji and also Shatrughni. All were born that time with that Payasa. Girvanairarthyamana dashamukha nidhanam kosalesh vrishya shringe Putriyamishtimishtva dadushi dasharathaksmabhrite payasagryam Tadbhuktya tatpurandrishvapi tisrushu samanjata garbhasu jataha Ramastwallakshmanena swayamata bharatenapi shatrughnanamna. We will do one more and then we'll stop. Manne, you can please come. I didn't see. Okay, you unmuted as well. You might talk. Okay, just give me a minute. Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitul Lakshmanenanuyataha.
Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitull Lakshmanenanuyataha.
Yato bhustata vacha munikathitamanud shantadvakhedaha.
Yato bhustata vacha munikathitamanud shantadvakhedaha.
So in S.N. Shastri's book, that Nrunam's Nru has gone that sign for Trana next word. So please bring it back under in S.N. Shastri book, it is Nanam. And that Nru, that Rikara has gone for that Tranaya. Do you see that? So it is not over there. There is a typo over there. It's Nruna and Tranaya only. Just bring that Chinha, Rikara under Nu. Nrunan Tranaya Banair Munivachana Bala Tatakam Patayitva.
नृणान्त्राणाय बाणैर्मुनिवचनबलात् ताटकां पाटयित्वा
लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यम्
लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रयाख्यम्
not yakhya, siddhashramaख्यम्.
लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो सिद्धाश्रमाख्यम्
कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतु, there is a dvitva there, huh? कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातो we have to do yataha only because there is a pause. We can't do it in one breath. कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातः यातो भूस्तात वाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताध्वखेदः
कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातः यातो भूस्तात वाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताध्वखेदः
तृणान्त्राणाय बाणैर्मुनिवचनबलात् ताटकां पाटयित्वा लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यम्
नृणान्त्राणाय बाणैर्मुनिवचनबलात् ताटकां पाटयित्वा लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यम् कोदण्डी कौशिकस्य क्रतुवरमवितुं लक्ष्मणेनानुयातः यातो भूस्तात वाचा मुनिकथितमनुद्वन्द्वशान्ताध्वखेदः नृणान्त्राणाय बाणैर्मुनिवचनबलात् ताटकां पाटयित्वा लब्ध्वास्मादस्त्रजालं मुनिवनमगमो देवसिद्धाश्रमाख्यम्
When Sandhara meter comes, it's very nice, that energy, and it's such a long meter. We really need to have a very good sadhana. It's very beautiful. So now, that last line is in that second last word, Deva is there, no? So there, Deva. So it's, oh God, oh Lord. Huh? So Kodandi, carrying the one who is carrying the Kodanda bow. And Kaushikasya of Vishwamitra's Kratuvara of Yajna Avitum Lakshmanena Anuyataha. With the Lakshmana, means Lord had gone with Lakshmana to protect. So Avitum, to protect Vishwamitra's Yajna. So we know that. Then what happened that time? Yataha abhuhu tatavacha. Yataha bhuhu. Then, so when you did go like that, then Muni Kathitam Anudvandva Shantadva Kheda. Adva Khedaha is Adva is the path. Khedaha is some difficulty. Or we can say over here simply the tiredness of that journey. So to Shanta, to pacify that tiredness of that journey, Muni Kathita, means Vishwamitra ji only taught you Manudvandva. 2 mantras were taught to you. And by using that mantra, you removed your fatigue and tiredness. And then, Nrunam Tranaya. Trana is to protect. Nrunam, to people. So for protection of the people, Banehi Muni Vachana Balad. By again, Vishwamitra's power only, means he only taught. Banaihi Tatakam Patayitva. Tatakam, you killed Tataka with your banas. And then from that, Laptva, you got Asmat Astrajalam from Muni. From same Muni. Okay. I'm very sorry. So from the same Muni, you have got so many other Astra. You having got that. And then you had been to his ashram. You did go to his ashram, which is called as Siddhashram. Kodandi Kaushikasya Kratuvaramavitul Lakshmanenanuyataha Yato Bhustata Vacha Munikatita Manutvanvashantadvakedaha Vrinantranaya Banair Munivachana Bala Tatakam Patayitva Labdhvasmadastrajalam Munivanamagamo Devasiddhashramakhyam Sada Sarvatra Govinda Rama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. So we'll pause over here for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Bigger verses, but it's beautiful. This Charitra of Ramji, this Dashakam, and the next Dashakam as well. Any questions in Ambarish Charitra?
Yeah, I have.
Yes.
Dashakam 33, 5th verse.
See.
5th verse, the first two lines, when you put it together, you said we should not say dwa, right? Id and va. That's how, or we should say dwa. I didn't get that.
Yeah. No. I said it is not. Dwara means door, so don't go with the meaning door. So I just broke and so that it is Kedat Varaiva in that way.
Okay.
You would say Dwara, no problem. You saying Dwara,
Okay.
it is just together only. But we should have the meaning in mind that it is not Dwara. It is Kedat Vara. Vara. Water.
Okay.
Vara.
Okay.
See, the
Dashakam
intention
34.
and the meaning in the mind makes our pronunciation better. So we should know some, like these points we should definitely know. Otherwise, it will be some mechanical chanting without knowing what we are doing. But if we know what we are doing, the phala of that is different.
In Dashakam 34, 2nd verse, 3rd line, in my book, it is given two drunam. Is it dru or dru?
Even in mine, it is nrna. There is a dirgha.
Dirgha it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just check that because I checked the Malayalam. That also
But,
says druna.
Yeah, but in the meaning of SN Shastri, it is single in the meaning.
Okay. So we will chant single only, right?
We'll chant single, but I will verify because in couple of books now, as Veena-ji has confirmed that couple of books have dirgha over there. But if we will confirm through the meaning side, when we go to the meanings, you'll see the single drunam over there. So many times in SN Shastri book, the meaning part and the verse part, we can always verify to correct this. So in my book, with the pencil, I have written single and not written double. The double has passed down to that further, that pranaya. Means the typo is there definitely. Anyways, we will confirm grammatically what would be correct, a dirgha or a
Because in
hasva.
the Devanagari, then it is given in English also in my book. In English, it is given NRWNAAM.
Yeah,
That's
so
how I
see, Veena-ji said no, in other books, on some few versions also, it has got a dirgha, so I'll confirm that. Okay,
Thank you.
any more? Lakshmi-ji, you have your hand raised.
One quick question. After the first verse of 34, since Ramavatar has happened, do we chant Sada Sarvatra Govindanama?
No, it is not. It didn't come like that. It just happened. So we are not doing over there anything.
Okay, okay.
I think something else will happen later. I don't know, but not in this. It didn't come because he just short clubbed and put everything together. It has not happened.
Checking, yeah.
Varsha, did we do the chanting of this chapter earlier during Ayodhya time?
Yes, during the Ram.
Yes,
we did it.
both.
That we did, yes.
I have your markings in my book, so I was wondering.
Yeah, we did it. Yes, we did.
34,
We did
35.
both 34 and 35 also.
At that time, 34, 35. Yes,
Awesome.
both we did it.
We
Veena,
just
yes.
did the chanting without the meaning. We just learned the Dashakam. And you
Yes.
said once it comes, then you will teach the meaning.
Okay.
29th
Wow.
of
Thank you,
January.
Veena.
I wrote in the
Thank
date
you.
also.
When what? When it was?
29th of January we did Dashakam 35.
This year?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
year we
Yeah.
did?
I put down
The
the
Rama
22nd,
Janmabhoomi
no?
Pratishtha Day, Ayodhya Pratishtha Day
Yeah.
we did.
Ayodhya.
yeah, 22nd
We did
and
it.
29th, 2 days, 2 weeks we did.
2 days.
2 Mondays
Wow.
we did that.
Wow. Thank you, Veena. Thank you, Pushpaji. Yes. Thank you, Srividyaji. Yeah, we celebrated that way. But we didn't do the meaning. So we will do it. We'll do it again. I think I did say that time that when it comes, we are again going to learn this. I think we did it with a very fast speed and all. We'll do it. We'll do it again. It's good to revel in rounds with it. Okay, let us end soon so that the daily Gita can start, because they can join directly without me opening the meeting, but without ending the meeting, they won't be able to join. So we'll meet tomorrow same at 5:30, or you want to meet at 5 o'clock tomorrow?
Shraji, 5:30?
5:30?
8 o'clock, yeah.
Okay, fair. Process a bit.
Thank
It
you.
will take time. If it doesn't finish tomorrow, then we continue on
Okay.
Monday. Because
Thank you.
it is like a big thing. Let's end the session. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow at 5:30 Singapore.
Thank you, Varsha. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you, Varsha.
Thank you, Sue.